Hi, and welcome to the Law Simplified. I'm Shavin Bandadnayaka. The difference between a good student and a great one is how they think. Oftentimes I'm asked by my fast track and masterclass students, as well as the thousands of students that are on the online law school platform, as well as the YouTube channel, on how to develop one's technique of thinking legally. How to hone the techniques of analytical thinking and articulating responses to questions that are posed. Quite simply, the answer to this, which might seem quite cliche in a sense, is to read as much as you can around the subject. Immerse yourself in the subject matter, so to speak. But oftentimes what I'm posed with as questions from many students from around the world is how, on the one hand, based on their geographical location, they might not have the access to high quality content in the form of academic books. And on the other hand, the entry barrier that is posed due to the cost of these books mean that while the content might be available, it's just beyond that of the budget that a student can facilitate. It is in this backdrop that I'm proud to partner with and bring into the ecosystem of the Law Simplified family, Perlego. Perlego is an online service that provides access to over 500,000 books, which are both academic and non-fiction based. Specifically for law students, I highly recommend their feature of list creation, where you can essentially create lists of different books relevant to particular subjects and later highlight, annotate, create notes for later reference as well. Perlego is a service that I personally use, and I would not recommend it had I not been personally impressed by it.
It's great to be with you at the Law Simplified. At Perlego, we believe that everyone should have affordable access to education. And we make this possible by giving you unlimited access to the textbooks you need to thrive in your course. We value what the Law Simplified are doing, and so we're gifting you with 6 weeks of free access to our library. We wish you all the best with your future career.
As you might know, the ultimate aim or the mission of the Law Simplified program is to provide a simplified approach to learning the law and to provide greater access to legal education to those in the communities around the world that would otherwise not have such access. I'm happy to state that Perlego has a very similar mantra and a similar goal in trying to make sure that sufficient people have access to legal education as much as education in general. So in that backdrop, they have graciously offered all of those in the Law Simplified family 6 weeks of free access to the entire library, where you can go and check out any book that you'd like, create lists as I mentioned, highlight and learn from the books that you would otherwise might not have had access to because of your location or because of cost. So do check out the links in the description, the card that will appear on screen, and the link that will appear on the screen on the bottom edge as well. But until the next time that we meet, have fun, stay safe, and as always, obey the law.